I3P, the Innovative Enterprise Incubator of the Politecnico di Torino, is the largest university-based incubator in Italy and one of the most important in Europe. The UBI 2013 ranking places it 4th in Europe and 11th worldwide. I3P was founded in 1999 as a non-profit consortium company by local public partners. It operates with an organizational approach that is typical of the private sector, as revenue is mainly determined by the results achieved by its startup creation process. I3P supports the creation of new high-tech companies with established potential and is part of the global strategy implemented in Piedmont to support research, technological innovation and new business, thanks above all to funding from the European Social Fund. It offers a wide, selected portfolio of opportunities to investors in innovative businesses, allowing managers and professionals to meet and collaborate with companies providing high growth prospects. The incubator is based inside Torino's Cittadella Politecnica, a relevant and strategic location where the proximity of the university, research institutes and large international corporations fosters synergies and the development of new business ideas.
AMC is a spin-off of Politecnico di Torino that develops, produces and sells systems for the non-destructive testing of metal ropes. The incubation in I3P has brought a number of advantages. The possibility of operating in an environment that could mediate between the academic world of the university and what actually is the reality of the market.
Access to the incubator is open to students, researchers, lecturers at the Politecnico or other public research institutes, as well as to entrepreneurs not involved with the university who plan to start high-tech companies. The incubator also works with existing companies interested in creating their own spin-offs to exploit and grow innovative projects in fields outside their core business. The incubating process is open to companies that have been incorporated for less than 1 year. The incubation process lasts 3 years, after which there is 1 year of acceleration. It all starts from an idea. Scouting occurs by organizing focused initiatives or through informal interaction with the researchers and lecturers at the Politecnico di Torino. In 2011, I3P launched Treat-a-Bit, a fast incubation process dedicated to internet, mobile, social and gaming projects. In Treat-a-Bit, students, researchers and budding entrepreneurs with a business idea can meet to develop a first service and quickly evaluate its soundness based on the traffic they generate online.
Intuino is a digital startup incubated at Treat-a-Bit, a section of I3P dedicated to digital projects. It is a startup for inventors, that is, for all those people that have an idea for building a product who don't know how to build it and assemble it.
Since 2005, I3P, together with other university incubators in Piedmont, has promoted a business plan competition, the Piemonte Valle d'Aosta Start Cup. The best business ideas win services and grants and take part in the National Innovation Award. I3P provides the support necessary to build a sustainable business model and a strong business plan through strategic consultancy activities carried out by its tutors. Thanks to agreements with high-profile local professional services firms, startups also receive qualified support on intellectual property, accounting, financial and legal issues at advantageous rates. The incubator also helps to implement the startup's business plan by, first of all, completing the management team.
My activity revolves around research and development of innovative systems and products for sports. The incubator has given me the opportunity to meet some business angels and create the business with them.
I3P's established experience and prestige facilitate meetings between startups and possible sources of funding, business angels, venture capital funds and banks.
From the point of view of so-called seed funding, that is, the first money needed to launch a startup, we have a good track record. On average, every year we manage to source approximately 2 million euros of seed funding for our startups, which is, all considered, a good result. At a certain stage, it is also possible to raise debt from banks. Thanks to the introduction provided by us, credit institutes are willing to give startups loans at very good rates and with no collateral, which is almost unique in Italy and maybe even throughout Europe.
I3P helps startups achieve visibility on the market thanks to focused presentations to large businesses that regularly turn to the incubator seeking innovative technological solutions. Ongoing collaborations with trade associations, access to trade shows and exhibitions, and media resonance achieved through a dedicated press officer.
Biotechware is building a cloud platform to conduct professional ECG examinations. We wanted to take part in Medica and Cebit, and the incubator took us to these trade shows.
Finally, I3P provides state-of-the-art logistic services at market prices, such as secretarial services, meeting rooms, broadband connection, green areas, catering, and lastly the Agora, a spacious conference hall equipped for hosting events.
We are particularly active in the field of gastroenterology and have developed a device called EndoFaster that integrates visual examination and chemical testing during a gastroscopy. The strength of the I3P incubator in Torino lies first of all in its extremely competent team, and then in its proximity to Politecnico di Torino, with its top-quality faculty of engineering and its thoroughly hands-on approach.
I3P has received international recognition ever since its inception, above all winning the Best Science-Based Incubator Award, beating more than 50 incubators from around the world and coming first in the biggest growth rate, investment return and self-sustainability categories. Every year, I3P gathers approximately 300 business ideas, helps develop and analyze something like 60 business plans, and admits between 10 and 15 new companies. Since 1999, it has launched 147 startups that put to good use research results in different fields: ICT, social innovation, clean tech, med tech, industrial, electronics, and automation.
Nesocell operates within the cleantech sector. It was born from a very simple idea, and that is retrieving and collecting industrial waste, specifically paper mill waste, to produce insulation for existing buildings.
Some of the companies incubated have achieved important international recognition, such as the Technology Pioneer Award, bestowed by the World Economic Forum. As of 2012, enterprises incubated by I3P had created over 700 jobs and a turnover of approximately 50 million euros.
Safen designs, builds and markets fluid and mechatronic devices for energy saving. The incubator allows us to contact possible clients so that our first sales are also due to the important commercial work carried out by I3P's tutors.
As a company, I3P has had a positive financial status and a solid balance sheet since 2003. In 2012, its production value was approximately 1.5 million euros.